Next video. Today we're in for a real treat. We're meeting a couple in a minivan, and you guys must be pretty good friends to be able to do that. And so we're meeting Richard and Jackie.
Right.
Hello, welcome to the channel.
Hi, Bob.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bob.
And so you guys, the two of you, live in, this is a Dodge minivan?
Yep.
Yeah, 2018.
Dodge Caravan 2018.
Wow.
Yeah.
And I got to ask, how's that going? You must really like each other.
Fantastic. We're actually together 24/7.
Right.
And
it's close.
Yes. It's a lot of fun.
Good.
It really is. I don't know what to say about it, to tell you the truth. It's really easy being with Jackie. We've been together since we met and haven't separated. And when we are separated, it's not for long.
I think one of the most important thing is that as human beings, we have to learn to be humbled and learn that each person is a different individual and everybody has their own opinion, but you have to come together on something, some even keel, so that you live with an understanding. And look, we do get into disagreements because we are human beings. But I always believe that when you get into a disagreement, take care of it right away. Don't let it go over. Don't be angry. We got this one life.
Yeah.
Enjoy every minute of it.
Yeah.
You can't waste it. It's so much fun to be alive, and I live my life with an attitude of gratitude. As soon as I open my eyes, thank you.
Another day above ground.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Every day is fantastic.
Yes.
Right.
It is.
You can always find something good at the moment. If you
Everything.
look.
Everything. Yes.
Yeah.
Every
Yes, you
time.
can.
Every time.
Or you can focus on the problems
Ah,
and live in misery. It's
yeah.
really that simple.
Well,
Yeah.
it's too short for that.
Yeah. So how long have you guys been on the road?
We've been since 2021. Is that
Yeah,
it?
since 2021.
Yeah. January of 2021.
So that's quite a while.
It is. We moved to Tallahassee in 2020, and then we wanted to open a restaurant. And we were looking for a spot, and it didn't work out, so we decided to go have a food truck. And we got the food truck in February of 2020.
Oh boy.
Did one event, and it was shut down because the COVID-19 thing happened, and that was it for us.
Yes.
So basically, we were living off our savings, and then that ran out. Lost our apartment because we wanted to buy a house, but we didn't find the right thing, but we had to live on what we had. That ran out, and we decided that, you know what, we are going to travel around Florida with the food truck. But it just wasn't right. Just wasn't right. And then we eventually met some people who we thought were good and honest people, and we ended up losing our food truck because of their dishonesty. And because we blame ourselves too. We signed a paper that we should have read before. And that was it. We lost our food truck. But you know what? We look at it as an opportunity to grow, because we lost the food truck and we really weren't happy with the food truck. Because it was just that feeling that it just wasn't right. Now, what do? We know that we wanted to travel, but we had no idea, and we were at our wits' end because, the money from the food truck, started to disappear and all of that, and lo and behold, the universe spoke to us. And do you know who it spoke to us through? You.
Oh my.
We found you in July of this year, wasn't it? Yeah, July of this year. And we learned about nomad living and living in your van. And while we lived in our van before, we didn't know that you could have set up the van in a way to be comfortable. So we had sleeping bags and comforters and all of that, and it was terrible. It was terrible. We lived all over, in campgrounds and whatever, farms and whatever it is. But it just wasn't right until we found you in July. And then we said, wow, we can actually do this. We can actually be even more comfortable and do this. And I said, there we go. We followed you. And then we started our YouTube channel, which we had no clue how to do that, but we started it in August.
Yep.
You know, and hope that it will grow as, you know, we share our wacky moments. Yes.
Yeah. So tell us the name of your YouTube channel.
Oh, the name of the YouTube channel is called the Huttons Tripping. And we named it for two reasons. One, that of course we want to travel the whole of the US and some neighboring countries. And two, because our kids think we're nuts. So there you have it.
Seems like.
Oh, yes.
Very, very cool. And so you've just been on the road in your minivan since then?
Full time, yes. Yep.
Yep.
And you were just up at the BYOV, the Homes on Wheels Alliance BYOV.
Oh.
You got some work
That
there.
was a fantastic
Fantastic.
experience.
Yeah.
We really can't say enough. I mean, it's more than just thank you. It was an opportunity. It put.
I know.
It gave us a chance to be comfortable.
Yeah.
Because it didn't actually start out that way.
Yeah.
It was. Again, thank you all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, the greatest force in the whole universe is someone that just loves and cares. And that, there's nothing like it.
Yeah.
So,
It was a lot of fun. We met some great people.
Yeah.
And like I said, it just gave us an opportunity to sleep better
yeah.
and begin to start enjoying it even more.
Yeah.
Good.
Yep.
Now we have the mattress, we have a platform that we're on. Everything's level now, so we're not sleeping kind of like at an angle.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, can we take a look inside and see what you guys have got?
Most definitely.
Let's go ahead and do that.
Well, basically, this is one side of it, the bed. You guys built us this wonderful foundation for the mattress, and we have lots of space under
You sure
there.
do. That's a lot of storage.
Oh yes, that we put everything whenever we have to move.
So you're set up somewhere and you got your camp out,
Yes.
outside camp.
Yes.
And that would go in there.
Yes. And then we have our refrigerator here, and again our solar system that was built for us with all the little things in there. Oh boy, yeah, it's dusty. Yeah. Yeah. And basically that's it. And around the other side here you get, he's gonna put that down. And that's it. That's our 200-watt solar panel that we put out to charge the solar whenever we're out.
Right.
Oh, this is the other side here. We have our laundry bag with dirty clothes, and then the other stuff that we have under there.
Always the necessities of life.
Yeah. Hey, well, what did you do with my pot? I just finished cooking, actually. We cooked one of our dinner.
Right here.
We always have our handy dandy pressure cooker.
Yes.
And we just finished cooking. And would you like to see inside?
Yes. Yeah.
This is one of the items that we cook. It's a mixture of ground beef and nopales, which is the, what do they call it? Cactus. Cactus leaves, and pumpkin and yellow plantains and kale. And I cook that in coconut milk.
Oh my.
with other spices, and that we eat that with a side of avocados.
So your stove is all set up in your camp,
Yes.
right?
Yes, it is.
And that's so you camp. Basically, you're living out of the minivan. With a couple, you kind of have to live
Yeah. Yes.
out of the minivan.
Yes. Yes. Oh yeah, we use it for sleeping and moving, but yeah, outside we have our seating outside and all of that.
Right.
We'd prefer to be there anyway.
Right.
Outside, yeah.
Right.
We don't necessarily want to be inside. I mean, when it's inclement weather, yeah, but I mean, for the most part, yeah, we want to be outside, enjoy the fresh air,
Oh yeah.
enjoy the beauty surrounding us.
Right.
Go
Right,
visit all over, yeah.
So basically, yeah, you've got the nice bed. So
Yeah.
sleeping well is the highest priority.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you're just basically setting up camp and living outside.
Yeah.
Do you have a tent or something?
Yes, we have a little tent right now, and we will be heading back to Florida in December because one of our girls is being graduated. She is graduating from nursing school, so we'll pick up some more things in Florida before we head out again.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we have the tent. We have a small tent. We use it for putting stuff that we want out
Right.
of the van, so we're not carrying all the weight around every time we move around.
Right.
And keep it in the tent.
Yeah.
And we try to keep it set up so that the stuff that we need the most is the most accessible.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't always work that way, but
No. I'm altogether too familiar with that. Finding the stuff is hard sometimes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Well, very cool.
we absolutely love it.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Okay, well, I have to ask, how are you staying clean? This is the question everyone always has. Taking showers.
Oh yes, we most definitely. We have learned again from you. We do lots of our sponge baths all the
Right.
time,
Right.
but we do our major showering once a month.
Right, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. One of the things that we do, I guess I grew up that way, where for me everything must be fresh and whole. So for me, I don't buy any cleaning products or anything like that that is chemical. It's all organic, or I make them all myself. So one tip I'm going to tell everybody when it comes to deodorant. Sorry guys, I don't use deodorant. I use lemons.
Lemons.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just cut that lemon, guys, and put it under the arm, and you're good to go all day.
That's a very good tip. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and guys, you have to follow our channels to let me tell you about all the teeth cleaning stuff and all of that I make myself.
So tell them again your YouTube channel.
The Huttons Tripping.
Right. And so the next question I always have to ask everybody is, how do you go to the bathroom?
Good. You talk.
We have the hospital receptacles for urinating in, the women's journal and the men's journal. And then for the rest of it, it's a 5-gallon bucket with some plastic bags and a seat that sits on top of it.
With the pellets, we buy
Right.
recyclable pellets, paper pellets.
It's just if you just take it as a challenge,
Yeah.
well, let's figure this out.
Yeah, exactly.
Watch some YouTube videos.
Absolutely. There's nothing you can't figure out.
Right.
The best thing you can do for yourself is keep it basic.
Right.
We've talked about it several times, and for us, like, the bigger the vehicle you have, the more stuff you're going to have a tendency to pack along.
Right.
And you really want to try and just keep it down to the basic stuff. Really.
Yeah.
I mean, what do you need to survive? Food, some clothes on your back, a decent place to sleep, a good place to sleep. If you're going to be moving around, you just need gas. After that, you don't need anything. You don't need a TV. You don't even need the newspapers or a radio unless you want to listen to music.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Well,
But yeah, keep it simple.
just remember, guys, we came into this world with nothing. We are going to leave with nothing. Just think of that and just live. Enjoy life. Every day you're awake, just enjoy what
Right.
has been given to you. We have been given a priceless gift. Think about it, guys. Priceless. There is no amount of money you can pay for being alive. Take that as the most important thing in your life and just live.
Very, very good.
it.
Those are words to live by. Any last words for there's always people in my audience who are thinking, oh, they're just so brave. I could never be that brave. Do you have any words of advice for them?
It's not about bravery. It's about, if you want to do it, do it. It's really that simple. Just go ahead and do it. Take the plunge.
Yeah.
You can't fully prepare for it. You can't fully figure it out, but you can figure it out as you move along through it quite easily.
Yep.
But yeah, just take the plunge. Just decide you're going to do it and do it. It'll work out.
Very good.
No matter what happens, it's always going to work out.
And there are so many people out there to assist you. Just do it, guys.
Yeah. Absolutely true. Okay, folks, there you go. Those are wise words to live by right there. You came to the right place today. So if you're kind of timid and wondering if this is going to work, now you know it can. So thank you guys. I really appreciate you joining us and your inspiration to the audience. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you, Bob. Thank you.
So folks, if you got anything out of this video, like us on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll talk to you later. Bye now.
Bye.
Bye.